Coach Mayet, good morning.
Good morning! Grabe, napakaraming wisdom for our strong women this morning. Kaya kung
Yes.
kung kayo ay nakikinig, okay, dun sa ating mga nagsalita, yung mga coaches natin, starting from si Coach Lisa, starting from si Coach Filma, Coach Cecil, ang dami nyo na kaagad na na wisdom na nakuha from them, all about taking care of yourself. And so that's why we are here now. Even at this season of our lives, we are strong. Yon. Sandali lang ha, share ko na yung ating presentation. So I'm glad everyone is here. And I'm gonna share with you a little bit about my story first. Yan. Okay. Start muna tayo sa story ko, katulad ng mga narinig yung stories kanina, no? My name is Mayat Mariano. Guess what? Nandito na rin ako sa season of being strong. I'm already 59, anticipating my senior year to come. Um, yung background ko po, I started with Herbalife Nutrition actually when I had my first pregnancy. That was in 2003 pa. No, that was in 2002 because I gave birth in 2003. So, it became my uh, natal supplements. It was recommended to me by my sister-in-law and who is also our angel or our sponsor. And really helped me a lot during my pregnancy. And I also was in a corporate setting. I was working as a corporate trainer sa ibang bansa, sa Dubai. Maraming demand and therefore yung stress napakataas. And so naging nag-resort ako to stress eating to compensate or to reward myself from the hard work that I've been doing. And hindi ko na-realize na yung rewards na yon na akala ko ay uh, that made me feel better. Hindi ko alam na yun din yung magiging cause kung bakit ako naging overweight. And it led me to being very not active kasi nga ang nangyayari, I just want to relax, stay at home. I was being very lazy, hindi active yung lifestyle ko. And then of course, in back then, me and my husband started a family. So I gave birth and raised three children. And so nandoon din yung hazard, yung what do I call it? Hindi naman hazards. Nandoon din yung naging consequence ng being a mom na ayaw mong nangihinayang kang mag ng mga leftovers kaya ikaw yung kumakain. So anyway, all of that very unhealthy, inactive lifestyle led me to being overweight, 20 kilos above my normal weight. And when we came back home here dito sa Pilipinas, that led naman to a serious result in my medical examination na sinabihan ako na nasa borderline na yung blood glucose ko, and that triggered me, that made me decide to seriously decide to take good care of my health. Okay, kasi yung family background ko was my father died of diabetes complications, and I didn't want that to happen, and I didn't want my children to experience that kind of fear na pag may sakit yung isang magulang, nagkakaroon ka ng takot na baka kung ano na lang maging mangyari, di ba? And so, when I started my Herbalife Nutrition Program, which is of course the Healthy Breakfast Program in a nutrition club, kaya napaka-helpful nun. Don't miss that program if that's being offered to you. Doon ko natutunan how to eat right, how to eat at the right time, okay? And to also be very active. And I'm so glad na I had that community within the nutrition club na naka-embed sa mind ko palagi na hindi, kaya mo to. A lot of encouragement talaga. And it's not just the nutrition club community. It's in fact, the entire Herbalife nutrition community. Kasi because of my results, actually our results, me and my husband, we decided to pursue a nutrition club then. At ang dami naming learnings at doon na establish I think na yung decision na for the rest of my life I will ensure that I will be um healthy, para not only for my children but also for myself, because there's so many things that I can do to give back to our community. Ayan. Makita yung picture ko dyan. Alam nyo, yung difference, between the left and the right are like more than 10 years. Okay? So imagine if now I'm 59, I could have looked much older than I am now, right? Pero hindi, ang Herbalife Nutrition nakakapagpabata talaga, di ba? And so let me share with you our topic for today. It's all about metabolism and calories. What's the connection ba? And this is an article, or sorry, a YouTube video made by Susan Bowerman, who is no other than our Senior Director for Worldwide Nutrition Education and Training. Yan. So, alam nyo yung sinabi kanina ni Coach Lisa, hindi mo may share kung hindi mo na experience. So ito lang po this is a simple way of for me giving back para po mai-share ko sa inyo yung na-experience ko. Kasi naintindihan ko what metabolism is all about. So, today what we want to do is we'll simplify po yung connection, okay, between metabolism, okay, and calories, what it really means, what affects it, and how you can support a healthy metabolism. So yung metabolism po kasi mostly it's misunderstood. So we'll break it down simply. Madalas kasi yung nasa mindset natin pag sinabi nating metabolism, um nare-relate natin yun sa yung weight gain, yung weight loss, but it's actually much broader than that. Okay? So let's go to our next slide. Ano nga ba ang metabolism? Yung metabolism po kasi is actually our body's engine. Okay, it describes generally how our body functions. Napakarami pong mga processes and systems inside our body. Meron tayong circulatory system, cardiovascular system, di ba? Napakadami. So lahat po 'yon para po umandar yung mga processes inside our body, how we need to be alive. Okay? It requires po calories. So when you say calories, calories are actually the energy that you get from food. Okay? So yung katawan natin, okay, requires energy from food para mapaandar po yung buong metabolism natin. So ano ba yung mga examples ng mga metabolism processes sa katawan natin? Pag nagpa-pump yung puso natin, okay? That's a process, okay? That's involved metabolism. Kailangan ng energy para makatulong para magpatibok ng puso natin. Even po yung simple lang na paghinga natin, in and out, that's a metabolism process. Even po yung brain function natin, yung pag-iisip natin, okay? It's a metabolism process po. It all requires energy po, which we get from calories. Okay. So, when we say metabolism, pareho din yan yung term na narinig yung metabolic rate. So, metabolic rate or metabolism really is the calories that you burn in 24 hours po para mo sustain po yung basic body processes natin. Yan. And it's not about ay, ang bilis ng metabolism ko or bagal ng metabolism ko. It's really all about the calories that your body can burn daily in 24 hours po na yon. Okay, yung iba po nagsasabi, ay, ang bagal ng metabolism ko kaya hindi ako maka-lose kaagad ng weight. Yun yung common excuse. Pero that's actually a myth. Ang reality po niyan is what matters is yung total calories that your body can burn per day. Yon. It's not having about fast or slow. So let's look at the factors that affect po yung metabolism natin, ano? Para po maintindihan natin. Unang-una po yung body size. So merong mga maliliit na tao, merong malalaking tao. Now, obviously, pag malaki kang tao, you have more cells in your body. When you have more cells in your body, you have higher calories to burn. May higher calorie requirement ka para ma-burn mo yung lahat ng cells na yun sa katawan mo. And of course, it goes without saying, pag mas maliit kang tao, lesser yung ano mo, kailangan ng calories to burn. Now, the second factor is yung body composition. What composes our body? It's muscle, water, and fat, di ba? Now, the more muscle that you have, or the more lean muscle mass that you have, mas nakaka-burn ka ng fat. Yan. Age is also a factor. Siyempre, pag nagkakaedad tayo, nagkakaroon tayo ng loss of muscle. So therefore, pagka lumiliit na yung ating muscle mass, only requires lower calories to burn. Okay, now, gender is also a factor. Now, apart from, of course, mas malalaki yung mga lalaki, di ba? Which is katulad nung sa body size, they have more cells, they have higher calories to burn. Men actually have more lean muscle mass, and therefore they can burn higher, they can burn more fat than women. Yun po yung mga factors na nakakaapekto po sa metabolism natin. So, paano natin masusuportahan itong metabolism? Unang-una, yung combination po ng strength and resistance training. And that's why dito sa ating Virtual Nutrition Club, we offer po every Thursday a free workout. Okay? And then nakikita na dyan yung different trainings like si Coach Melba, she focuses more on the stretching and the muscle strengthening, yung mga yoga, di ba? And then we have si Coach Louie who focuses more on strength and resistance training based on yung mga calisthenic exercises niya. And then of course, si Coach Chow, she adds in the fun factor for dance, 'di ba? So, ano din, yung dance, when you do it consistently at non-stop, katulad ng ginagawa niya, strength and resistance training din yun. And of course, don't forget, yung mga coaches niyo would always coach you on your nutritional needs. Huwag natin kakalimutan, you must have adequate lean protein. So how can I get that? You talk to your coaches po. They are well trained to make sure that what you're eating, nabibigay po sa inyo yung tamang lean protein na kailangan ng katawan nyo. So with that, combined ng healthy diet and a regular activity, you are ensured po na yung metabolism nyo will act normally based on your own metabolic rate. So ano po yung key takeaways natin for today? Yung metabolism po really this is what we need to embed sa mind natin. It's actually the total daily calorie burn based on our own needs. Kaya individual po yan, hindi yan pare-pareho. And it's not about having a fast metabolism or a slow metabolism. Basically, what you want to do is you build muscle at any age. You eat well, you eat properly, and you'll have a healthy metabolism. At yan po ang ating topic for today at marami pong salamat. Kaya stick with us in your virtual nutrition club. Stick with your Herbalife Nutrition community because we want you to live your best life. Thank you.
Ayan. Thank you, Coach Maya, for that wonderful sharing. O, di ba? Kaya yung mga nakikinig, bago, luma, o whoever you are, at least kailangan ano natin na yung tawag doon, monitor natin ang ating